Good morning. This is Matt with K&M Detailing. I just had a quick thought, and I wanted to get you guys' opinion on this thought. Okay? So, as a detailer, there's a lot of new advanced technology coming out in the world today, right? There's new sealants, there's new waxes, there's so much information. We're constantly just boom, boom, inundated with so much new products and new information, right? Even for you guys out there, you go to Walmart or you go to Amazon's and you have chemical guys and you have detail garage. You have so many places just in your face, in your face, in your face with product after product after product after product. Well, I want to simplify it today because that's what I've done with my business. And that's what I've done when I introduce things to my customers. I simplify everything because I hate how confusing the car care world has become. It's stupid. So let me ask you a question. If you had a nice new car and you wanted to protect the paint, what would be the best option for you? A, would you like to get it washed, detailed, and waxed, which is only going to last maybe 2 to 3 months, or maybe get a sealant on it, which is only going to last you maybe 6, 7 months? Or would you like to really protect that vehicle, get it washed, polished up, get the paint looking absolutely flawless, better than it even did when you left the showroom floor, and then have a ceramic coating on the vehicle that's going to last 3 years or 7 years? So what would be your option? I just want to know what your opinion is, because as a detailer, I'm kind of biased, right? I love ceramic coatings. I think it's an amazing advanced technology because to me, it makes more sense if I can put something on my vehicle and I can get anywhere from 3 to 7 years of absolute protection and I don't have to wax anymore during that time. To me, I'd spend the money and I'd go do the ceramic coatings. But that's me. But I want to know your opinion. Is it worth it for you? Would you rather just maintain and wax every couple months and keep doing that over and over again? Or would you rather spend the upfront capital and go ahead and get a ceramic coating? So the options to me would be, would you rather get a coating on your vehicle right here, anywhere from 3 to 7 years of protection? Or would you rather just pay somebody to come out, use this, put it on a buffer and polish up the vehicle and make the vehicle look good, take an hour, 2 hours, whatever out there, charge you, $150, $200, whatever. Every detailer in every city, every town is going to charge you different money. So I just really love your opinion. So if you could just leave a comment below this video. If you're on YouTube, if you're on Facebook watching this, I'd love for you to leave a comment. Just give me your feedback. It's really, this is no sales. I'm not going to contact you. I'm not going to try to sell you on anything. I really just want your feedback to understand what's going on out there. Like, what would you rather do? Would you rather have that ceramic coating and just boom, I want my car protected like right away? Or would you rather just take the waxing option? No judgment. I just really would love your feedback. So if you could, on YouTube, just subscribe to this video. It would be awesome, by the way. Leave a comment below. If you're on Facebook or Instagram, leave your comments. I just love to absolutely hear what your feedback is. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to hearing what you got to say.